Welcome back to Code with Hafiz. Today's lecture is one of the most important for every Django developer, query optimization in Django ORM. We will build a real mini blog app and show how Django performs poorly with default queries and how to supercharge performance using select underscore related and prefetch underscore related only values and defer and more. By the end of the lecture, you will think like a Django performance engineer, not just a developer. Let's start the journey. And if you are new on this channel, don't forget to subscribe and like. So for this project, I already written a code. We have a models.py. We have an app with name mini blog, and I registered this mini blog in our settings.py. This So we have an mini blog, and I write the code for models.py for this mini blog, and this is the code for mini blog models.py. So from django.db import models. Basically I am importing the Django base model classes. Everything in Django ORM is built on models.model. So when you created models, Django creates database tables from them, and then we create a class with author. Every table in Django is defined as a Python class, and the models.model means this class becomes a database table. The models.model indicate then this author class will becomes a database table. So inside author class we have two fields, name and email. For the name we use the models.char field with max length 100. As we know, the length of the name is maximum 100. That's why we use the char field, not a text field. Char field stores short text and the max underscore length equal to 100. Maximum allowed character for the name will be 100, and the Django enforces the limit at db level. After that we have an email field. I use the models.email field. So the email field stores the email format text. So Django automatically validates emails if there are any @ or anything, any special character, like we have an email with @ special character. So this validation will automatically handled by this email field, and it stores email format text. Django automatically validates email in the database stored as a varchar. The email will be stored as a varchar, and then we have a string representation here. Defines how objects look when printed. This will help us to define how objects look when printed. Imported for Django admin. When we see the author model inside our Django admin, I just open the admin interface of my Django project. Here you will see authors. We have an authors, and you see the others. If I change and if I comment this, let me comment this code and let me show you what will be changed. And if I refresh this, you see I am getting author object 1. So this is not meaningful to handle this, and we want the user friendly content to show on the Django admin. That's why we are using this the string representation. Then we create a class post. This class basically will handle the things with post. So in this class we have three fields: title, content and author. So we create a class. Each post belongs to an author, and one author can have many posts. That's why we use here the foreign key. Inside this we have title. Models.char field, the max length for the title will be 200, and for the content of post we use the models.text field. As we know that the text field used for long text, so no size limit here, and perfect for blog content and descriptions for the e-commerce project. I hope this will make sense for you. If any doubt till now, please comment it. I am here to clear your doubts. Then we have author. We use the models dot from models. We use the foreign key and we pass author. on delete is equal to models.cascade. Basically on this line we are creating a many to one relation, meaning many posts with one author. Each post belongs to exactly one author. So on delete equal to models.cascade means if an author is deleted or their posts are deleted automatically, prevents the records. Then we have the string representation, show post title in Django and admin. This will help us in debugging. Let me show you here. Refresh the page, and if I click on posts, and you will see we have post 1, the name of the post. Then I create another class for comment. So this class will handle the comments related things. So for the comments we use three fields: post, text, and created at. As we know that each comment belongs to one post. A post can have many comments, so the relation between post and comment is one to many. So that's why we use foreign key and we pass the post. So basically on this line we are links comment to post, on delete equal to models.cascade, and related name is comments. As we know that the models.cascade deletes all comments when the post is deleted, and the related underscore name we have comments. This will help us to allow reverse access. Let me write here how this will help us. Post dot comments.all. Without this, the Django would create post dot comment, and then we have comment dot underscore set dot all. So then we have the text field. We use here the char field. The max length for the text for the comment is 300, and this will store as the comment text as a varchar. So then we have for the timestamp models.date time field auto underscore now underscore add equal to true. This will help us to auto stores the date and time when commit is created. Django automatically sets the value. You don't need to pass it manually. And then we have the string representation here. This will shows first 20 characters of comment. That's why we use here the text colon start from the 0 and then the end is 20. So this will show the comment with first 20 characters, useful for admin, otherwise long text looks like messy. So in the models.py our all code will automatically create the three tables: author, post, and comment, and the relationship between author and post one to many, and between post and comment is also one to many. And we here learn about the char field, why we use char field. Then we learn about text field, what are the use of text field. Then for email field, date time field, foreign key, related underscore name, and we learn about under underscore str under underscore. So we learn about cascading delete. So if any doubt till now in this all models.py file related, so comment it, I will clear your doubts. Let me show you the views.py. This is our models.py. Let me open the side by side, and this is our settings.py, and our app name is mini blog, and this is our admin.py for the app. We admin.site register, we register here all the post, author, and comment for mini blog to show on the model admin interface. As you see here, we have authors, comments, and post. So this is about admin.py, and we have the views.py, the business logic code here. So here in this file we created two views, slow underscore post view, and we have optimize underscore post view. Let me explain what are the slow post view And what how the query optimization in Django ORM works. So we pass inside our project urls.py, we inside our include we pass the mini blog.urls, and inside mini blog URLs we have slow and optimize. Let me close this and close this. So let me explain this. Let me zoom in to clearly